Well, everybody, second episode of the Help Me Get Good series. I appreciate all the support on the last one, all the helpful tips you guys gave. So I'm gonna make sure to use some of those. Generally, it was my mic sucks, so I got a better mic. Then it was to be a little smarter with how I play. So that means have better positioning. Sorry, I thought I heard something. Because you guys said that it doesn't really matter how. Obviously, you have to have some good gun skills, but as long as that you have good positioning, that's all that matters. The help if my game didn't lag. Dude, why is my game so bad? I'm lucky that kid wasn't good. Listen, that's one of the tips I could give you. Never trust anybody. Look, somebody's coming down the hill. Let's try and get a better position. You know it's not behind the tree. Let's move around. Let's get back here. Keep our gun up. Yeah, I really don't know what's been going on lately. Every time I get in a gunfight, my game just starts lagging really hard. I don't want to blame it on lag, but I mean, it's a little rough. Probably affects the way that I'm playing, but that's fine. We'll figure it out. There he is. Anybody saw us? Yep, saw us. We'll go full auto here. Dang, smoked. Dang it! Oh, nice try though. We're back. We brought in the M3A3. Pretty sure that's what this is. That first round didn't go so well. I have recently been trying to get better videos, let's say. I've recently been trying to get better content, so I've been trying to do better. I'm just not good at this game, to be honest. That's why I have you guys to help me make me good. I'll take a sip. Literally only a sip. Oh, there's Scav up here. We'll go kill him real quick. Just because I hate when this guy tries to shoot me in the back. I'm gonna try and silent kill him, but hopefully he doesn't. Oh, there we go. That's nice. I was gonna say, hopefully he doesn't shoot me, because these guys love to hit me from miles away. A Saiga and a suppressor. Well, we can fit the suppressor in here. Throw the Saiga right there. Put that there. Switch hands. I heard somebody. Alright. But anyway, you guys are the ones that are supposed to be making me better. So if I do bad, it's not my fault. That sucks. But now we know that they're up there. We have a pretty fine position because we have cover. They don't. Here's what they have is they could go behind the wall. Which you're going to start, I think is what they're going to start doing is moving that way. I think I saw two. So I want to be pretty careful here. Yeah, the ones, that's what's been happening to me. Every time I go in my gear, I kind of just get cooked. Like, I know maybe re-peeking wasn't the best thing, but I don't know how he just completely smoked me there. But, you know, can't blame the game, because that's not the name. I came back in naked. I have a vest, that's about it. I just did not want to waste another gun there, because I keep getting cooked, so I like to, if I keep getting messed up, downgrade a little bit, and then try and get my stuff back, or at least something back. I don't like to go on a streak of losing everything for a while. See, I'm not afraid to bring in gear, but I don't want to be losing it all the time, just because it does cost a lot of money. Like, even one of these vests that I'm wearing costs like, I think $7 grand. Got the Scav. Dude, how? Okay. I was gonna say, it looked like I was smoking on the me. People are shooting. They're on the second floor up there already? Wow, that was quick. I have to be careful here. I hear a lot of suppressed shots too. Knowing these people, once they go to that floor, they're gonna go up to the roof. So if I could get to the building before they get on the roof, I should be fine. Holy. I'm sure I don't have many bullets. Where am I getting hit from? Oh, it's a tunnel. Tunnel. Ugh, alright. You know what, dude? You wanna fight? Scav? Dude. My best bet is hopefully not get hit by anything. Whoop, whoop, whoop. Whoop. Boom. Oh my. I don't even know what to do. Maybe we could snipe the scav here. Come here, scav. Come here. I got a present. Come here, look. Whoa. You got a present, buddy. Oh, come on, grab. Grab, game, grab. Get out of the way. Alright, I think my best bet to fighting anybody here, climb straight up the ladder. I don't even know. Like, yeah, I'm half health. I think, you know what? We just do it. We send it. It could be the scav that comes up here. I don't even know if he heard me or not. No, nobody's on the roof. I don't know what I heard. Must have been somebody underneath me. This is going to be my last round. We got the 8K. We're at one of my least favorite spawns. I absolutely despise this spawn. Just because I have people everywhere. You got people over there on that hill, people over there on that hill. So I'm thinking, if we go to that hill, you don't have to worry about people coming over from prison. Because I feel like anybody that spawns over there goes straight to labs. If we go over to this hill, we could try this fight. I've tried fighting these people so many times. I normally just end up getting smoked. The people who come up to this hill are a little better. And they know a little bit more. But we'll see. If there is anybody, you know, you never know. It could be a little slow to the spawn too. But you guys know the last helped me get good. I got smoked. Look, he's on the top. He's gonna come running out of the store down here. We might be able to get him. He could have ran out the front. There they are, two of them. Two of them are running up on that kid. So I have to be a little careful. A little careful. I really don't like coming to this side of the hill because people up on... Somebody shooting at me? From where? I don't even know. I got hit? Oh no, I didn't heal from last round. No. No. Dang it. I don't know if these guys just ran. Yeah, no, I see him. Second floor. You see, they're in the vault. I might be able to get one of them while they're in the vault, actually. Come on, dude. This would be big. This would be big. I kind of want to get off this hill. Oh, I see him. Ready? I don't even know if I hit him. Nah, 17. This sucks. It's alright. We gotta reposition. Got to reposition. I definitely want to get these guys, so I don't know how I wasn't hitting them though. No, I think this is a fight I gotta take. I just gotta try it, you know? That's the worst that happens. I lose an AK. Is what we're learning is that as soon as that we see them, we gotta shoot. He has cover, I don't. Be very, very quiet. Very, very quiet. I heard metal, so that means that they're on the second floor there. Or third floor. If you want to consider that first. That means that they're on this floor. Yeah, I'm pretty sure they can't hear me. You barely push, it just doesn't make any noise. Keep on. I hear metal, so he could be in purple. That means that there's two. They don't know I'm here. If the most profitable thing they got was a face mask, that means that they probably didn't get tier 6s playing the long con. I don't know what they're doing. Alright, they're gonna move. That means that I think they think that I'm still up there. Dude, what are these guys doing? I hear their guns. If I hear metal there, we're there. Okay. Here's my chance. They don't know. Come on. Dang, they played me. Dang, I wasted all that time. Well, that's it, everybody. I tried to play smarter. I just didn't take my shots when I needed to there. That was on me, not on you guys. But it needs to be on you guys to help and make me better. So make sure to go down in those comments, give me some tips on how to get better. Make sure to leave a like, drop a sub, and we're almost at 100 subs. So let's keep it going and have a great day.